Turmeric. It's the golden secret taking over the skincare world. Known for its incredible brightening and anti-inflammatory powers, it can give you that radiant glow you're craving. But here's the thing, how long should you really leave it on your face? Leave it too long, and you risk irritation or that dreaded yellow stain. Today, we're breaking down the exact safe wear times for your skin type, so you can get all the glow without any of the woe. So, why is everyone obsessed with turmeric in skincare? Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse. It helps to soothe inflammation, making it great for acne-prone or reactive skin. Brighten and even out your skin tone for a truly radiant complexion. Fight acne with its natural antibacterial activity. And even defend against the signs of aging by neutralizing free radicals. But hold on. Turmeric isn't for everyone. If you have a known allergy, extremely sensitive skin, or a broken skin barrier, it's best to skip the mask. And a crucial tip, always do a patch test on your wrist or jawline 24 hours beforehand to check for any reactions. Now for the main event. How long to leave that golden goodness on? If you have sensitive skin, stick to just 5 to 10 minutes. For normal to oily skin, you can go a bit longer, 10 to 20 minutes. And if you have combination skin, target 10 to 15 minutes, focusing on oilier areas like your T-zone. Remember, with turmeric, longer isn't necessarily better. Moderation is key. What happens if you leave it on too long? You could end up with a temporary yellow stain, especially if you have lighter skin. You also risk irritation, particularly if you mix it with harsh ingredients like lemon juice. And for some, overexposure can lead to dryness and tightness. And if you feel any burning, stinging, intense itching, or see redness, wash that mask off immediately. Your skin is telling you it's not happy. So, how often should you do a turmeric mask? For sensitive skin, once a week is plenty. For normal or oily skin, 2 to 3 times a week is a good maximum. Daily masks are not advisable. For consistent benefits without overuse, consider incorporating gentle turmeric-infused cleansers or moisturizers into your everyday routine. Here are my top tips for safe brightening. Pair turmeric with soothing bases like yogurt or honey. Always use a clean, cosmetic-grade turmeric powder. And after you rinse, make sure to moisturize generously and apply SPF daily to protect your newly radiant skin. Turmeric truly is a skincare powerhouse. Used correctly, it can calm inflammation, brighten your complexion, and give you that coveted healthy glow. Just remember to listen to your skin, stick to the right timings, and you'll unlock all the amazing benefits of this ancient golden spice. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural skincare and DIY beauty. Your skin will thank you.